If you own a Galaxy Watch 9 or the new Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, you can use WhatsApp directly from your wrist. That means you don't have to take out your phone every time someone sends you a message. In this video, I'll show you how to download WhatsApp on your Galaxy Watch, how to set it up, and what you can do with it. Let's get started. Before installing WhatsApp on your watch, make sure WhatsApp is already installed on your Android phone. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the Google Play Store, open it and log in using your phone number. Once WhatsApp is working on your phone, open the Galaxy Wearable app. Go to Watch Settings, then Notifications, tap App Notifications and make sure WhatsApp notifications are turned on. This allows your Galaxy Watch to receive incoming WhatsApp notifications. Now it's time to install WhatsApp on the watch. On your Galaxy Watch 9 or Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp and install the official app. After the installation is complete, open WhatsApp on the watch. You'll see an 8-digit code on the watch screen. Instead of scanning a QR code, choose the option to link using an 8-digit code and enter the code shown on your watch. You have to confirm both codes on phone as well as on smartwatch. Confirm it and WhatsApp will start synchronizing your chats and history. After a few seconds, the watch and phone will sync automatically. That's it. Your WhatsApp account is now available on your Galaxy Watch. You'll be able to see your individual chats, group conversations, and all your latest messages right from your wrist. New messages also appear instantly as notifications, so you can read them without picking up your phone. Replying is also very easy. You can type using the on-screen QWERTY keyboard. Depending on your settings, you can use either the Samsung keyboard or Google Gboard. If typing on a small screen isn't your thing, you can use voice input to dictate your message. You can also send emojis, stickers, and even images directly from the watch. WhatsApp also supports audio messages, so if someone sends you a voice note, you can listen to it right on your Galaxy Watch. When someone shares a photo, you can open the chat and view the image directly on the watch display without reaching for your phone. The Galaxy Watch also supports gestures for handling notifications. You can use supported gestures to interact with incoming messages more quickly, making it even more convenient when your hands are busy. Overall, the WhatsApp app on Galaxy Watch 9 and Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is much more capable than just receiving notifications. You can read conversations, reply in different ways, listen to voice messages, view shared images, and stay connected even when your phone is in your pocket or another room. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.